Momo moyako, momo moyako, momo moyako, momo moyako. Every living entity, the earth, humans, animals, and elements, must participate in the full realization of relationship, awareness, potential, and responsibility in maintaining the balance and power of the universe. Native American religious traditions center around specific locations, and it is the task of religious practitioners to create minimum disturbance of these places and the lives of other creatures, while performing ceremonial functions on behalf of these forces. This traditional cultural knowledge has been passed down through oral histories for many generations. The Chumash Wind Caves, Husahkyu, is a traditional cultural property, a national and international cultural monument. 900 to 2,000 people visit this area yearly. It is eligible for inclusion in the National Register because of its association with cultural practices and beliefs of our living community. It is a place Chumash people go to pray, teach, dance, sing, and learn about our past and prepare for our future. The Chumash ceremonial area encompasses the whole mountain, including summer and winter solstice rocks, equinox rocks, caves, shrines, a natural amphitheater, rare multi-pigmented rock and cave paintings, shell middens, and sacred geographical formations. An important symbol of Chumash cultural values, it helps maintain Chumash traditional identity. The Chumash Wind Caves, Husahkyu, it is a sacred place and should be honored like the Franciscan Missions, Arlington Cemetery, and Mount Rushmore. The Los Padres National Forest 1977 Archaeological Reconnaissance Report states the amount of deterioration and defacement that has occurred to the rock paintings over the last 15 years was caused by target practice of the Winchester Canyon Gun Club, as well as vandalism by scratching, overwriting, paint graffiti, and bullet pinks. Intentional vandalism, along with natural erosion, has left less than 2/3 of the paintings remaining. Imagine this defacement happening to frescoes in cathedrals. The Chumash Wind Caves, Husahkyu, natural soundscape, also needs to be protected, maintained, and restored for past, present, and future generations. Every day it is being disturbed by inappropriate and excessive noise from gunfire that must be stopped. Imagine receiving communion under fire. We must work together to educate, preserve, and protect the Chumash Wind Caves, Husahkyu, a natural and sacred monument. Momo moyako, 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 momo moyako.